Up next, a high-tech piece of equipment, the Fusion Infotainment System. This is a touchscreen system. We are currently on our radio. You have several features that are touchscreen on the outer rims of the display screen. We have our ejection port button for our CDs that we place up here. We have our mute button for the radio. We have our volume control, plus or minus, depending on how you want to set up your volume. You also can control your volume by your steering wheel. We have our HDMI cable port that we can plug into. On our right hand side, we have our power button at the top here. We have our home button. So if at any point we need to get back to our home screen, just hit that home button, quickly gets you there. If you want quick access to your GPS, you have your GPS button here. That would bring up our current location. And then if you need to get back, you have your back button. That'll bring us right back to the home screen. And then lastly, if you have an SD card to play music or place pictures up on your display screen, you can by placing that down here. All right. And then on the touchscreen itself, you have several different features here at the bottom, plus a display screen for your time and the date. And then if your GPS is on or off, we're going to go into the media section. That will be our radio. To search for any of your radio channels, you'll just hit your search button. You can scan as well, finding good channels. You can do all your presets here. You can do AM, FM. If you also would like, you can do Sirius XM satellite radio. You'll find out how to set that up within your Midwest packets that they give you. We can do iPod, Sirius, Bluetooth, USB, SD card, CD, auxiliary, whatever it may be. So it have many different needs for how you listen to music, so on and so forth. And then we can play videos with USB, SD, or a disc. And then if you notice right here, all these icons just below where the radio is at, you can quickly flip to any of these icons just by pressing them. Or you can take two fingers, place them on the screen, swipe, and you can quickly use the touch screen to get through those icons. This will be our GPS. You want to make sure that when you use the GPS, obviously you set up your destination to where you want to go. If we are connected with our Bluetooth device, for instance like our phone, we can have our phone book stored on here, as well as what our battery life is on the phone. We can play music from Pandora, so on and so forth. And then we get to our app setting, our app screen. Now the app screen will show us our browser, gallery. We have a Miracast app. We have our vehicle camera, which would be our rear view camera, would show up on here. HDMI, the Auto Plus Connect app. If you at any point you don't know what to do, you need a little help, they have a tutorial on here as well. You would just want to make sure that you plug in to a Wi-Fi connection. And then we have our YouTube app. And then lastly, if we want to change any of our settings for our navigation, settings for Wi-Fi, we want to find our Bluetooth device, we want to make a call, we want to change our display screen, sound, media, system, all of that can be done right here in our settings. And again, just a quick and easy way to get through just by swiping two fingers across the screen. And then if we go to our home screen, another cool option that you have as well is if you use three fingers, you can actually adjust your volume up and down on the screen. And that's a quick review of our Fusion Infotainment System.